any numberings or something else. So we don't have any gap between the one item to another item, sir. It's also not mandatory. Dual tag nature, this one. Just display the list items without any numbering, without any style. So all these are the 5 list items. All these are the 5 list items. And before that, we don't have any symbol, you can see. There is no symbol before that. Because of our removed style. Next one, sir, items. Next one is items. So menu bar inside, UL tag inside, LI item. Menu bar inside. Menu bar in the sense navigation bar indirectly. So navigation bar inside, UL tag is there. Yes, available child tag. UL tag inside, LI tag is there. Yes, available child tag. So for these LIs, these styles are going to apply. Not all LIs. Navigation bar inside LI tags only these styles are applied. How you mentioned, sir? This is the name of the navigation bar, sir. Class name of the navigation bar. This is the navigation bar name. Inside UL is available. Inside LI available. Those items I want to display like this. Those items I want to display like this. And what is the displaying style, sir? I'm going to apply the inline hyphen block. Display style is inline hyphen block. What is meaning of this, sir? Personally, that all are 5 items, list items together, one by one it comes actually. Original nature, that one, this 5 items, like this 5 vertically it comes. 5 items, I'm changing it in a horizontal format. For that, I implemented this.
9,000
changing the block level tags into inline tags, and especially side by side. And width of every LI item is the 200 pixels I give you here. Width of every LI item is 200 pixels. Width of every LI item is 200 pixels. And height of every LI item is 40 pixels. And alignment of the data is center. Alignment of the data is center. So these are the list items settings. All these are the list items settings. So display all my list items in the inline block. They comes the side by side. They comes as a side by side. So display inline block, all these things we discuss in HTML. So please refer the HTML portion. It's already completed topics, kada? Don't touch that one. The LI items, sir. LI items inside, we have the anchor tag here. LI item inside, anchor tag available. Anchor tag settings I'm applying here. Every anchor tag height is also 40%, sir. Line height, 40 pixels. LI item, how much height is available? The same height I'm going to apply here. Text decoration none in the sense underline is not. Text decoration none, underline not. Orange color box observed. Orange color box. That is 200 pixels. A box, if you want to get it, you should write this. The box, if you want to get it, you should write like this. If I'm not update the width, what happens, sir? Data, how much length is available, that much of length only will get the color background. 5 letters available, background 5 letters update. 4 letters available, background 4 letters update. But how many letters I have, I don't want, sir, but I need the uniform box. See that? Irrespective of the data, you will get all these boxes properly like this. If I remove these 2 things, sir, changes is comes. Observe, boxes, appearance change completely. Because this basically LI tag is block level tag, line by line it will comes compulsory. Basically it's a block level tag, line by line comes, but I want to get the side by side. So you'll get the side by side. When I apply the display inline block, I'll get the side by side here, see this. But a background box size, how much available now? Background box says how much available now. Based on your length of the data. Uniformity not available. Observed? I want to get uniform sizes every menu item. I want to set only uniformly for every menu item. So width also applied here. Width also we applied here. Now everything uniformly will get the boxes like this. So that is why I developed these two lines. Then my anchor tag settings sir. The orange color box why it is coming sir and H over implementation. Orange color box why it is coming like that sir and H over implementation.
Line height and line height.
Anchor tags yellow color why it is displaying sir because this is color settings sir. The height of the anchor tags I don't want any decoration. If I remove this one sir, see that original blue color available, see that blue color plus underlines available. So those I'm changing here. My height is 40 pixels. I don't want any underline and my color is yellow color. Next H over we are going to implementing sir. H over we are implementing. Now the mouse pointer comes on to that list item as well as the anchor tag. List item as well as the anchor tag. Change the background color and get the underline. Change the background color and get the underline. So that is orange color and underline. Everywhere we have the orange color and underline. Please use that. Next, sir, why we are writing these names inside that one, sir? You can directly write LI tag or something, sir. It's not example, sir. Application. Remember that this is not example application. In your example, maybe you have only one LI tag or only one anchor tag, right? Instead of that LI tag, OL tag, I'm writing clearly. I want to apply these settings for LI tag. That is where it is available. UL inside available. That one where it is available inside the main bar, menu bar. So menu bar inside hyperlinks anchor tags only these settings are affected. Because in project place only menu bar inside anchor tags available. Header inside also anchor tags available. Footer inside also anchor tags available. Section tag inside also anchor tags available. If I write like this, sir, the anchor tag sir comes with this type. Already it selectors concept, right? If I write like this, my all anchor tags are comes with this type. I don't want all anchor tags there. I need the anchor tag in a certain location only. A location we are informed. Whenever the anchor tag is playing as a sub tag. Is a parent to child concept, sir, this one. A is the subtag of the LI is the subtag of the UL is the subtag of the menu bar. Menu bar is nothing but a navigation bar. Navigation bar inside LI tags, anchor tags, apply this one. Other tags don't apply this one. That is the meaning of that. So we want to apply the settings for the particular area anchor tags only.
Okay.
Now this is output. Next and last final settings for this one, sir. All these things we want to get into center. Go to navigation bar. Go to navigation bar. This is our navigation bar. The navigation bar, menu bar in the sense navigation tag settings. Apply the center element here. Justify content center or text align center. Now menus to some side available, we will get the center. Inside the blue box, you will get the menu bar in the center of the page. Right? Menu bar is over, sir. Menu bar is over. These are the menu bar settings. More settings are available for the menu bar. Now back to the program here. If I click on here, what happens, sir? This should be called the home.html. The home.html. If I click on the courses, sir, it should be called the courses.html. This is courses.html. If I click on about, sir, they should be called the about.html. Programs ready with dummy. Dummy in the sense mapping, markup not done. New batches, sir, should be opens the new batches.html like this. And enrollment, sir, there should be opens the enrollment page like this. What is our requirement, sir?